Are you trying to record your game on Windows 11, but you don't know how? You're not alone. Many people feel confused when they first try to use the Xbox Game Bar, but don't worry. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use it step by step. So first you're going to press the Windows key and the G on your keyboard. Okay, let me say that again. Press the Windows key and G on your keyboard. This opens the Xbox Game Bar. You don't need to download anything. It's already on your computer. Next, you're going to click the capture button. So it looks like a small camera. This lets you record your screen while you play a game or use the app. Then you're going to press the start recording button. It's the round one with a dot. You're going to see a timer begin. That means it's working. You want to record your voice too? Click the microphone button so that your sound is added to the video. You're done recording? Click stop, and then your video saves into your videos folder under captures. This tool is super easy, and once you try it, you're going to feel like a pro. So don't wait. Start creating cool game videos today. Leave me a like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.